Hey, what's up you guys? This is Shady Lens. Today I'm going to be talking about my personal experience with the Canon PowerShot G7X and the Canon M50. So 2 years ago is when I started my photography journey. I actually borrowed the Canon PowerShot G7X and I really enjoyed that camera. I think it's perfect for a beginner. I found it easy to navigate. I got comfortable using manual. I honestly have some of my favorite shots from that camera. Eventually I knew I needed to upgrade to a mirrorless camera, so on my birthday I actually got the Canon M50, so that was dope. Immediately I noticed the picture quality is so much better than the PowerShot. The only downside is just getting used to the size. I found that I was really spoiled with the Canon G7X, just the size of the camera because you can fit in your pocket. But with anything, I think it's good to have multiple different cameras for different things. So in all, I like both cameras. I prefer the Canon M50. I recommend both to beginners. I found that when I would go on YouTube and search these cameras, I'd usually see them recommended as vlogging cameras. But I found there was not enough for photography. Now, there is some YouTubers that I see that take amazing photos with the Canon M50.